Hello friends, this is Jay Chandra. Today I'm going to explain you the fourth experiment of a case tools lab. The fourth experiment of a case tools lab is all about drawing the collaboration diagram. According to my application, I need to draw the collaboration diagram of game designing. So for the game design, game designing, I need to draw. And first, the collaboration diagram. This collaboration diagram is modeled from the sequence diagram as explained before. So the instance of a collaboration diagram is similar to that as instantiation of a class in the class diagram or a use case in a use case diagram. So let us see the following. First, the in my application of a game development, the game architect and the designer has to do some primary work. So the game architect has to, so these are the set of objects first, and the game architect has to give certain game plan and a game sketch to the designer in order to design according to that. And after this, the game designer will design the game according to the architect that was given. After the designing work is over, this design work will be verified by the testing team. The testing team will see is there any errors in that. So game errors will be given back to the designer. By the testing team, and then after the errors have been recovered, the game graphics has to be done by the designer, and then also it has to be verified to the testing team, verified by the testing team. So graphics has to be done, and also the verification done by the testing team. After the verification is done, if there is also some any errors in the game graphics, the errors in the game graphics has to be recovered by the designer again and has to send back to the testing team. After all these conditions are over, the game testing team asks for the any company approval to approve the game. So game company's one of an object has been taken over here. The testing team asks for the game company, so game options has to be set to the company by the testing team, and game drawbacks and has to be set over the testing team to the game company. So if the game company do not accept for the design, so the redesign has to be done. The redesign has to be done from the game company members to the designer. So game redesign has been set over here. After that, after the game has been released, the player has to be introduced in order to play the game. So player has been introduced. For the game company will ask for the set of comments and feedbacks from player to the game company. So that's all for the fourth experiment. Thank you.